Aurora can fit with the 3 types of field lens. Open the front door. Rotating the field lens and lens holder, then remove them. Take off the field lens from the lens holder. Select the field lens that you want to install. Install the new field lens. Take care during the installation process. Make sure the field lens is installed correctly. Before we start, make sure the Aurora has been connected to the PC. Put the USB cable into the Aurora. Put the other end into the USB port of the PC. Turn on the Aurora. Reset the Aurora. Then go to how to use the software to set. Open the device manager. Go to the other devices, select the USB serial and then right-click. Select Update Driver. Browse My Computer for drivers. Select the correct driver folder. Installing the driver successfully. The tutorial is in the autofocus software folder. Open it. Open the device manager again. You can see the USB driver of the software is COM11, so please select the port number in tutorial. Click Connect. Tutorial and Aurora connected successfully. Then go to the folder of the U-disk. Find the screenshots of your lens. We've adjusted the focus length of all lenses. You can set the focus length according to the screenshots. The lens that was replaced is f/10, so select the corresponding picture. Fill with the parameter into the tutorial according to the screenshot. Then click the Send. Setting the autofocus length was successful. We need to reselect the core file after replacing the new field lens. Open the SCAD tool and click the param F3. Select the correct core file. The core file is in the U-disk. Select the correct core file. Reselect the core file complete. Set the parameter has been completed. If you think the autofocus length is not good, you can learn how to adjust it in the next part. Draw a 10 by 10 mm square and hatch it. Set the marking parameter. Select the continuous. Place the stainless steel on the work table. Make sure that the steel is under the autofocus red dot. Click the light F1. Close the front door and open the tool. Click on the light, align the material, and click on the mark. During the marking process, press the up or down button to observe the beam. When the beam is brightest, it is the best focus length. At the same time, it can be observed that the actual focal length column in the tool is constantly changing, and the actual focal length when the beam is at its brightest is recorded. The beam is the brightest. Found the brightest again. Record the actual focal length and fill it in the focal length and click Send. You can see the parameter is set successfully. Fill it in the focal length. The focus length is set successfully. Press the autofocus button on the machine, then you can see the focal length is correct now. Adjust the autofocus length is complete.